Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're gonna draw Transmetal 2 Dinobot. One of the main characters from Transformers Beast Wars, the movie. I mean, one of the original Transformers. Okay, let me just get to the point. So, if you guys are familiar with Beast Wars, here's what you must know about it. Transmetal 2 Dinobot was just a protoform that was tampered with by Megatron's meddling. Transmetal Megatron, actually. And, well, basically, well, it's kind of foggy, but the protoform gave life to a duplicate of Dinobot. And, well, let's get to it from there. And, well, it's more of an exoskeleton-like, kind of like the Velociraptors. And we'll be drawing Transmetal 2 Dinobot in a robot form. Okay, so now let's draw the nose. I'll get to that later. There we go. There's a cybernetic eye, cyborg eye. There's his head. Now we just draw the neck and work our way down from there. Why can't I use another rock? There we go. Also, he put the core of Rampage's spark into Dinobot's core or something, and, well, he let Dinobot take charge of it. Beast Wars. Okay then. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission theme.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon Music.
Okay. Now we just draw the chest. We just draw the Predacon arc light in his chest. As such, Dinobot has laser eyes. Kind of like the original Dinobot.
Far away, our ones are making the climb. I'll trust the power you've got inside. All ordained to be the stars of the stage. Moving our union through anything we face. Beyond the planets with a slam, slam, slam. Start the battle in a jam, jam, jam.
The final hit is a bam, bam, bam.
This heartbeat pounds my head, let's get started. First we're getting bumped, then we crash. Winning in the rap, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set. Through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring.
There we go.
It's a tale that goes when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll trust the valor you've got inside. All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future that's just beyond the door. Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a jam, jam, jam.
We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam.
Light bursts from all the scene, let's get sparking. First we're getting pumped.
This video is sponsored by all the characters of Beast Wars.
All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set. Through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a
go.
tale that goes when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Now we let the thrills fill the room. Hearts are gonna beat with a boom.
After that you'll understand this horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry just a bit, but we'll keep on going forward, burning brightly to the core, always energized for the goal. Legends never die, so we won't. Are you ready to achieve that amazing victory? First we're getting pumped, then we flash, winning in the rap, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set. Through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the cause when nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Alright. Now we just draw the rib cage. Or at least the spine of Dinobot. Alexa, what is a Dinobot?
Dynamite by Tayo Cruz
Alexa,
on
stop.
Amazon.
Alexa, what is a Dinobot?
The term bot has several distinct uses. As a verb,
Alexa,
one.
stop. Alexa, stop. Hold on, Alexa, stop. Alexa, what is a Dinobot?
Here's something I found on the web. According to fandom.com, Dinobot is an upcoming neutral Cybertronian set to appear in the Seeds of the Future.
Okay. Sheesh, the wind keeps getting bigger and bigger. Alexa, what are the Dinobots?
According to Wikipedia, Grimlock is the name of several fictional robot characters in the Transformers robot franchise. He is usually portrayed as the leader of the Dinobots, a subfaction of Autobots that can transform into metal dinosaurs. In 2007, USA Today polled people as to which Transformer they want to appear in the second installment in the Transformers film series. Grimlock came in tied for second with Devastator.
Okay, so basically, Dinobot was given the name after Grimlock, and well, they thought it was a good idea to name an Autobot based on the Dinobots. Anyways, Dinobot's vehicle mode is actually a Velociraptor. Same goes for his original non-transmetal form. Alexa, what is a Velociraptor?
Velociraptor is a genus of dromaeosaurid theropod dinosaur that lived approximately 75 to 71 million years ago during the latter part of the Cretaceous period. 2 species are currently recognized, although others have been assigned in the past. The type species is V. mongoliensis. Fossils of this species have been discovered in Mongolia.
Velociraptor. Alexa, what is Dromaeosaur?
Dromaeosaurus is a genus of theropod dinosaur which lived during the late Cretaceous period, sometime between 80 and 69 million years ago, in Alberta, Canada and the western United States. The type species is Dromaeosaurus albertensis,
There's the
which was
tubes
described by
leg.
William Diller Matthew and Barnum Brown in 1922. Its fossils were unearthed in the Dinosaur Park Formation.
Alexa, what is Deinonychus?
Deinonychus is a genus of dromaeosaurid theropod dinosaur with one described species, Deinonychus anteropus. This species, which could grow up to 3.4 meters long, lived during the early Cretaceous period, about 115 to 108 million years ago.
Alexa, what is Megaraptor?
Megaraptor is a genus of large theropod dinosaur that lived in the Turonian to Coniacian ages of the late Cretaceous. Its fossils have been discovered in the Patagonian Portezuelo Formation of Argentina. Initially thought to have been a giant dromaeosaur like Coelurosaur, it was classified as a neovenatorid allosauroid in previous phylogenies, but more recent phylogeny and discoveries of related Megaraptoran genera has placed it as either a basal tyrannosauroid or a basal Coelurosaur.
Okay, that takes care of that. That takes care of the legs here. Now we just draw the tail here. These are the plugs. There we go. Now we just gotta draw these sticking out of his back. Now Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes by Miura.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission Theme by Miura Jam on Amazon Music.
Now here are the fingers with claws. Man, drawing 3D is really hard. But I'm smarter than that.